How does inductive reasoning work? Have you ever wondered how lawyers make predictions about court outcomes based on past cases? This is where inductive reasoning comes into play. Inductive reasoning is a method of logical thinking that starts with specific observations and moves toward broader generalizations. Unlike deductive reasoning, which guarantees a conclusion if the premises are true, inductive reasoning offers conclusions that are likely but not certain. At its core, inductive reasoning involves looking at particular instances or facts and inferring a general rule or pattern that applies beyond those instances. For example, if a lawyer sees that several cases with similar facts resulted in the same legal outcome, they might conclude that future cases with similar facts will likely be decided in the same way. In the context of law and preparing for the law school admission test, inductive reasoning is essential for legal analysis and argumentation. Lawyers analyze specific cases, statutes, or facts to derive general legal principles or predict how courts will rule in new cases. This process is vital for developing legal theories, constructing arguments, and anticipating opposing arguments. Key features of inductive reasoning include moving from the particular to the general. It starts with specific examples or evidence and extends to a broader conclusion. The support for the conclusion is probabilistic, meaning it is backed by evidence but not guaranteed. New evidence can strengthen, weaken, or even overturn the conclusion. In law school and legal practice, inductive reasoning helps students and lawyers synthesize case law into coherent legal doctrines. They apply these doctrines to new factual scenarios. This method is also reflected in the reasoning questions on the law school admission test, where test takers must identify how arguments are constructed, often relying on inductive logic. In summary, inductive reasoning works by gathering specific observations or evidence and using them to infer general conclusions with a degree of probability. In law, this method is fundamental for analyzing cases, developing legal principles, and predicting legal outcomes. Understanding how this reasoning works can significantly benefit your preparation for the law school admission test and your future legal career.